Namaste, everyone. Thank you for joining me in today's practice. Today's practice, I want to talk about dancer's pose. So, shall we dance? Shall we dance? Hey! So, this is dancer's pose. So just dance, dance, dance like no one is watching you. You can even dance to silence. That's the beauty. So just one step to the left, to the right. And just put the hips side to side, side to side. All right, that's not the dance I'm talking about. I'm talking about yoga dance. Dancer's pose. So bring the legs together. You want to stand tall. You can put your hands to your left hip to just challenging your left leg to know that is the one that is balanced. And then you transfer the weight, you lift your right leg, you bend the right foot. The right hand catches the instep of the right leg. Notice how my hip now is distorted. I want you to tuck the tailbone under and hug your right knee in. And the left hand reach alongside the ears as you push on the left leg, drawing shoulder down. You don't have to go any farther. Now, it's important to maintain your balance. So from here, I'm going to start to kick the right leg up. And as I kick my right leg up, there is motion. It's not at rest, so it's an active movement. So from here, I start to drive my right foot forward, my left hand reach forward, and as I kick up, I lengthen, opening and squaring the shoulder. If you lean towards the left side, you look like you're tilted. You want to extend and reach. Extend and reach. Then inhale, driving yourself forward. I might bend my right leg just to give me leverage. I come back to standing. Again, dance like no one is watching. If you fall, it's okay. Right hand to the right hip. Transfer your weight to your right foot. Left hand reach alongside the ear just to drive that straight line. Left hand catches the instep as you bend the left leg. Knee to touch, that way the hips are squared. My tailbone is under. My right hand drives alongside my ears, lengthen my spine, pull my belly in, pushing the right foot. You can stay here, but notice my left shoulder comes down. I start to drive my left leg back and up as I reach my right hand forward, pushing on my right leg. If I try to fall, I bend. And as I bend, I hug my navel in and extend up and drive my left leg straight. Eventually one day, it will straighten. My shoulder is down, my navel, I draw it in and pull my chest forward. Right leg is straight as much as it can. Then inhale, I bind my right leg as I drag myself up and down. I return into mountain pose and I hug my belly in. Hands in front of the heart. Namaste. If you have any question, drop them below. Before you start any pose, make sure you're warmed up and you are nice and good to go. So I have 30-minute practice, 20-minute practice, an hour power yoga flow. So consider joining the family. I'll see all of you soon. So until then, keep dancing like no one is watching. Have fun. Just move your body. So I'll see all of you soon.